We are moving along on this. I got everything cleaned up, ready to go back in to the lift valve. That's the old O-rings. I'm waiting on the new ones to arrive. Just been doing other odds and ends to the yard tractor. I am going to change the gear oil and filter on this, and probably the engine oil, since I got it tore down. Might as well. But the mower deck, if you remember in episode 1, I mentioned that the entire rear wheel system broke off a few weeks back. I've got that repaired and back on. I thought this metal rod had broke, but it turned out there's a roll pin and it sleeves together right there, and that's all it was. So I was able to fix that, but I had to straighten both of these brackets back out, because when that thing came out from under there, it came out with a vengeance. Bent the crap out of that. You can still see it's not completely straight, but it's good enough for me. And then this bracket that holds this front wheel is all twisted up, and I got it straight almost. I need to mount it back on here to finish straightening this out. But yeah, that's what I've been working on. Waiting on parts. They're going to be here. Today is Wednesday, June something or other. Last Wednesday of the month. 23rd, 24th. But yeah, then the last few days, it's just been nothing but rain and really actually chilly weather for June. Surprisingly. But yeah, alrighty, that is about it for now. This tub for the seat and rear fenders was absolutely nasty up underneath where the seat mounts. It was gross, ugly. Anyway, I pressure washed it off. That ought to keep it clean for a little while. This tractor, I'm learning, has never been apart to this extent. So I don't know. That's probably a good thing for me, because I don't have rounded off heads, messed up screws. But it's a bad thing for maintenance. But we're getting it up to date. Also, while this mower deck is off, and going through and getting all the spindles and everything greased up, and so it'd be ready to go on. I was gonna change the blades, but these blades here, they still look really good. We'll just leave them on there. Okay, that's my update. Midweek hump day. See ya.